going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. Today is, let me actually see what today is here. Today is January 28th. It's a very chilly and early Saturday morning, and I just want to give you a quick update on, I guess, the Ride the Six garage. So our Honda Rebel is actually officially sold. A little bit sad because unfortunately I didn't really get a chance to really ride it very far. I've only ridden it around my block. It runs up through the gears. Everything's good on the bike. It's a great little bike, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get it out on the road, and I wasn't able to give you like a more at speed, highway speed, cruising speed type of review. But that was my plan. I did want to do a review on this bike, guys. But yeah, just winter, and a buyer came along. I guess they didn't want to wait till spring. So yeah, the Honda Rebel is being picked up this morning around 8:30, 7 o'clock now. So just want to do a quick little video there. I will say that this bike is actually pretty well built. Even the front fender, in order to take the front fender off on this bike, you need to remove the front wheel, which is a little bit different than my other bikes, because you could just pull the front fender off when the wheel's on, not a big deal. This bike, not so much, because they've hidden the bolts essentially. So it's kind of like a hidden fender that bolts to the inner side of the forks. And yeah, to get the fender off, you need to take the wheel off. So working on this bike is a little tricky, a little different than what I've seen on some other bikes. Yeah, also like other stuff, getting to the triple tree and the clamps and the forks. Same thing. The bolts are kind of underneath. They're a little tricky to get to, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes you have to actually unbolt other pieces of equipment just to get to the bolt. But anyways, I've unbolted all the trees, and I've kind of aligned them back straight. Everything's been done on the bike, so she's good to go. And yeah, other than that, I could say it's a pretty well built bike, guys. And just from my short time riding it, I could see the attraction on this bike. It was kind of cool to scoot around on my street on the Honda Rebel 500, to be honest. Felt different because I'm a sport bike guy, right? But if I was to get into a cruiser, maybe this is something maybe I'd pick up, or maybe something, if you're looking to get into a cruiser, maybe you want to look at a Rebel 500. It's a good little bike, guys, so give it a look. Again, this was an auction bike that I purchased back in, I guess late summer, somewhere there. And yeah, we did a little fixer up on it, but she's going to a new home. And the owners, they're cool. The new owners are very cool people. They came to my house, looked at the bike, and I'm very happy that these are the guys buying the bike, because I've had a lot of lowball offers on this bike. You know how it is. You put up on Facebook, and oh, let me give you $4,000 for an $8,000 bike. No, sorry guys. All right, guys. So that's it. Just a quick little update on the Rebel. I am a little disappointed again that I couldn't get out there and ride it for you. Winter kind of set in Canada, and it's not stopping anytime soon. We've got snow every day. Even today we've got snow, and somehow I have to load this bike on the guy's truck. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. Apart from that, I still have my ZX636 over here. Still working on it. But once this bike's out of here, it gives me a little bit more room. And also, I've already purchased another bike, guys, so I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. Stay tuned to the channel. You're going to see it. I will give you a hint. The one I've purchased already is a Suzuki, so I'll give you a hint. You can kind of guess. If you want to guess, put a comment below the video. Let me know what you think it is. So it is a Suzuki. I'm not going to tell you the year. I'm not going to tell you the model, but drop a guess in the comments, guys. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. It's early on a Saturday morning. I'll get the video up later on today. But yeah, our Honda Rebel's officially sold, and we're moving on to another build after the ZX6 build. Alright, peace out, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment.
As you fade away, Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade